Hi everyone, it's me, Marloun Rosapa. In this video, you will be amazed the beauty of artificial nature, human-made garden for fish and plants. This beautiful place is located at Khlong 15, Nakhon Nayok Province, Thailand. Look at that! If you can feel the cold water from the waterfall in fresh air, wow, it looks like real nature. Look, fish are so happy and healthy. Here you can buy different kind of plants from small to big. But expect that, a bit expensive. But I'm sure you can afford to buy. Wow, look at that. Wish to have this kind of garden. Wake up early morning and have a cup of coffee. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this short video. Again, it's me, Marloun Rosapa, and see you on my next video. Thank you for watching!